Hi, I'm Steve, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. If you aren't ready to invest in full window replacement but still want to improve some efficiency of your windows, this video is for you, as we're going to talk about 5 ways to improve the energy efficiency of your windows. Just like any other part of your home, your windows age over time. They become worn and frail and don't function as well as they used to. Whether your windows aren't protecting your home from the sunlight and heat, or you notice moisture collecting around the frame, you want a simple solution to improve the functionality of your windows. Number 1, improve caulking around the window seams. If you feel drafts coming in around your windows or notice visual deterioration around the seams, one of the easiest ways to improve the window is by fixing any peeling, cracking, or missing caulk. Caulking around your windows creates a complete seam that not only seals your window into your home, but keeps outside elements like wind, insects, and pollen from entering your home. Number 2, add weather stripping around window seams. Weather stripping is typically made of a foam material and is widely available at most big box hardware stores. It's easy to peel and stick along the seams of your window to further protect the caulking, cover any minuscule holes or openings, and protect your windows. This will protect your windows from unwanted drafts, bugs, and moisture, or allow any outside elements to intrude into your home. Number 3, replace old windows with window inserts. Insert window replacements are less expensive than full window replacements, can be done by yourself, and are much easier and quicker to install. They provide you with a simpler solution to upgrading your old windows without the hassle of fully tearing out your frame. You can purchase insert windows for around $200 to $400 and install them yourself. Or you can hire a professional contractor that specializes in insert window installations to ensure your windows will last and protect your home. Number 4, install storm windows. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, storm windows can provide the same energy efficient properties as new replacement windows for about 1/3 of the cost. They improve the insulation of your current windows, provide added protection against harsh UV and infrared rays, and help soundproof your home. Similar to insert windows, storm windows are an insert you can easily install. The difference is that storm windows are installed on top of your current windows. They can be installed on the exterior and interior of your windows. Number 5, install new window coverings. New window coverings help block harmful solar rays from entering your home. Solar rays turn into heat and can also damage your furniture, pets, and yourself. Window coverings also provide added insulation to your windows, helping your home remain the same temperature year-round. If your window coverings are damaged or you don't have window coverings at all, consider upgrading your windows with high-quality blinds, shutters, shades, or drapes to improve the energy efficiency of your windows and your home. Now you know a few ways to improve the energy efficiency of your windows and your home, and can choose the best solution that fits your budget. Each of these projects is fairly inexpensive and DIY friendly. If you want to take energy efficiency a step further and look into a full window replacement, the article linked above will highlight 3 common signs you need a window replacement. That way you can properly assess what might be the best option for you and your home. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.